Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing amazing today. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably spent a fair amount of time collecting all sorts of AI tools, getting excited about their potential. But then, after all that enthusiasm, you find yourself stuck and unable to turn that excitement into a finished project. Sound familiar? You're definitely not alone. The truth is, AI is an incredible resource, but using it effectively isn't always as straightforward as we expect. It's not that the tools don't work, it's that without the right strategy, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the options and miss the bigger picture. That's where AI Launchpad Live comes in. If you've ever felt lost in the AI landscape and unsure of how to take that next step, this event might be the game changer you need. AI Launchpad Live is a 3-day immersive virtual event that promises to take you from having no experience with AI to launching your own product, building a sales funnel, and even creating a completely automated system, all with the help of AI. What's awesome is that the event is beginner-friendly. Whether you're new to AI or you've been playing around with it for a while, this course breaks everything down into easy-to-follow steps. So let's get into the details of what this course offers and why I think it might be exactly what you need. The event is led by Cindy Donovan, who is a huge name in the internet marketing world. She's known for creating cutting-edge tools that simplify the process of launching and scaling businesses, especially with the help of automation. Cindy has worked with tools like AI-powered Puppet Profits, Firestarter AI, and SauceSmart, which all focus on simplifying complex marketing strategies and making them easy to implement. If anyone knows how to use AI to make your business life easier, it's Cindy. Over the 3 days of the event, you'll be guided through creating a product and automating your sales systems. And the best part? You get access to replays, so even if you can't make it live or want to revisit some parts, you have that flexibility. Day 1 is all about moving from a blank slate to a profit-packed idea. The first session, Lazy Legacy Lies, dives into how AI can unlock your true potential. If you've ever felt like you have something amazing to offer, but just can't get it out there, this session is for you. Cindy's team will walk you through how to start using AI. No confusing jargon or complicated setup, just practical steps that you can apply right away. Then, in the next session, your velvet rope, you'll work on creating an irresistible offer that will transform your idea into a high-value product your audience can't resist. It's all about crafting the right offer to make your product stand out in a crowded market. After that, a prompt death will teach you how to use AI without getting stuck on the idea of perfecting prompts. You'll learn a system that generates content effortlessly, so you don't have to waste time fine-tuning every detail. Day 2 focuses on building your automated sales system. The first session of the day, It's All Systems Go, takes you step by step through checklists and automation techniques that will set you up for success. By the end of it, you'll have a clear understanding of how to structure everything for growth. Then, in Drag Drop Done, you'll be hands-on, turning your AI-generated content into a fully functional website. Yes, you read that right. You'll be building a website with AI-generated content, and it's as simple as copy-pasting. Finally, in the last session of Day 2, Why Elmo Sucks, you'll learn how to go beyond basic tactics and implement strategies that work smarter and scale faster. This is where you get into the nitty-gritty of maximizing your system for the best possible results. Day 3 is all about attracting your dream customers. The first session, Caffeinated Traffic, will reveal 3 free traffic sources that many people overlook. Cindy will also show you her AI hack for creating content that grabs attention and turns visitors into sales. The next session, Paid Traffic with AI, focuses on using AI to create powerful ads. Whether you're building a brand or running faceless marketing campaigns, this session will walk you through creating the best ads for your business. And then in the final session, How to 200xer it. Cindy will teach you how to increase your results by focusing on just 3 simple factors. This session is all about cutting down your workload while massively boosting your results. Now, let's talk about why this event is so powerful. First of all, you're going to walk away with a product that's ready to sell. No guesswork. You're also going to have a fully automated sales funnel, meaning you can generate leads, nurture them, and make sales all while you sleep. AI does the heavy lifting, so you save time and energy. The best part? This system isn't just theory. It's been tried and tested, and real people have already used it to launch profitable businesses. Cindy and her team will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you leave with everything you need to scale and succeed. For just $24, you get all the tools, training, and support you need to leverage AI in your business. And if after the event you don't feel more confident and ready to take action, you can get a full refund within 30 days. That's zero risk. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and finally take that next step with AI, then this event could be exactly what you need. I hope this review has given you a solid idea of what AI Launchpad Live is all about. If you're ready to dive in, I definitely recommend you check it out. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll catch you in the next video.